Hi, I'm Chris Herbert. We are standing at the entrance of the Berlin exhibition in collaboration with Coil Winding and APC Media. We have several interviews with leading players in the transformer industry. Come and join me and see what we are up to. Good afternoon. I am honored this afternoon to have Cemil Berker with me. Cemil is the Deputy General Manager of ARES Transformers. ARES is well known as a component manufacturer supplier, supplying to transformer manufacturers all over the world. Cemil, good afternoon. Welcome.
Hello, thank you.
It is an honor to have you. The company has established itself over the last couple of years. You have been with the company for many years. Perhaps you would like to share a little bit of information on ARES, where it started and where it is standing now.
Yes, ARES Transformer Equipments. We started 20 years ago, and we started producing with bushings for energy sector. After bushings, we started to produce other components. Every year we added a lot of new components into production, and we, as a local manufacturer, right now we are globally supplying. We have supplying around exporting 85 countries and more than 200 customers, and they are regularly buying from us. And we have big portfolio such as bushings, transformer wheels, transformer cooling fans, buhose relay, terminal box, a lot of accessories and components for transformer manufacturers. And we are working with big groups like Siemens, Schneider, SGB, big companies, they are buying from us. And we have new investments also for the energy sector, because sector is expanding, and we are also expanding our production capacity.
There is an understanding that you are completely integrated forward and backwards. You are also doing windings.
Yes.
You are also doing transformer tanks.
Yes.
Would you like to tell us a little bit more about the windings and perhaps the transformer tank factory which you have?
For windings, we started 7 years ago for distribution transformer winding. After that, it started why you don't make power transformer winding, and we invested also for that. Now we have a factory for winding sector, also doing windings. And last year we invested for tank production. Right now we have separate factory for tank production, corrugated wall tank, also flat wall tanks. And actually at the end we have all the accessories, winding, active part, tank. Only to make it complete is the rest of the job. Yeah.
Excellent. A question that is on everybody's mind. There is an expectation that the transformer industry will grow at between 5 to 8%.
Yeah.
Some is estimating this as high as 10, perhaps between 15%. But you are probably the best placed to actually make a practical evaluation on whether these growth estimates are true or not. What is your perception in terms of the growth in the industry?
Which we see, it will be more than maybe 15, because every company expanding their production capacity, and they are asking more component from us to supply them faster delivery, good quality, on-time delivery. And we also work on it, because when our customer have big demands, you have to increase your capacity also. Otherwise, they change another supplier, so we don't want it. We don't want to lose any customer. So in same quality level, high quality level and fast delivery, we work on it. And right now, for example, for bushings, we supply in 4 to 5 weeks our customer. On many items, maximum 6 weeks we supply. And for example, tank manufacturing, 8 to 10 weeks we supply to them. And it is very surprise for our customers, because they are taking 3 months, 4 months delivery terms. And they choose us maybe because of the time limits.
Yeah. Yeah. An important question related to this. A lot of the European suppliers have substantial loads and delays in terms of their transformer components. There is the expectation and the prognosis that product from Turkey is a high-valued product, a great value proposition, and the lead times, as you've reflected, is quite short. Is this also a tribute to the fact that the entire supply chain is in Turkey?
Yeah. In Turkey, there is a big supply chain where you can find everything like insulation materials, components, all what you need for transformers. And for example, our company is expanding every year 20-25%. And it is a very good rate for expanding. And I think we will follow up it to expand more, because we want to have bigger company also in our sector. And our new target is to expand in USA market and South America market.
And what is your expectation in terms of timelines? Developing the business markets, is there something you see in the short term or the medium term? What are your objectives within RS? What are your priorities?
Yes, first we want to add new products in our portfolio, because some products still have demand on our customers. They are still asking us, can you do it for us or not? And for example, tank production, we entered because of one of our customers. They said, if you enter this job, we will buy from you. And we made a high capacity because we will sell for our customer and also for other customers. And which we see, there is still some new customers for us. It is never ending.
Turkey is known as a reliable supplier with good quality. There is a relationship between price and quality. What is your views on your value proposition and pricing?
Yes, always they want the best price and high quality. And still we keep the same level, good quality, high quality and good price. It is our target.
Yes.
We don't want to be the highest in the market and normal quality level. So we want to keep it in the same level.
Right. In terms of ownership, you are privately owned.
Yes, private company.
Does it have benefits? I know that there is a huge growth spurt in Turkey, and particularly in the town where you are located. There is talk of expanding into different new factories. What news do you have for us in terms of...
Right now we have 4 factories, and next year we plan to expand another new factory. Maybe we will expand tank facility also. And as a private company, it gives us more flexibility. And when we make a meeting, if something is urgent for one of our customers, very flexibly we can change our production program, or we can add extra shift for the production. And that also good benefit for our customer. And they like it when we help them on the production to give faster.
If I ask you to send a message to your customers or new customers, what would be your message be to your existing customers? Yeah. And then secondly, what would be your message be to new customers?
Yeah, they should come and see our production, how we produce, how fast we supply to them, and the quality they have to come and see in our facility. And I am sure they will like it. And we are waiting their orders.
Excellent. In terms of coil winding, you have been a regular participant and exhibitor for many, many years. What is your impression of the exhibition this year?
Yeah. Last 15 years, we are exhibiting in the Coil Winding Expo, and it is one of the best one in worldwide best. And many of our existing customers, they are coming, and also new customers. And these 3 days, we had minimum 10 new potential customer. And also when the existing customer come and when they see our new portfolio, what we have new, they also demand it. They're asking, can we supply to them or not? What is our capacity? So it is the best exhibition for us.
There was a very interesting comment made recently that you are a one-stop shop when it comes to transformer components and auxiliaries. You made an interesting comment in this off-camera the other day. Please share that.
Yeah, if our customer want in one package everything, they can find it in our company, in our entire product range. Yeah, if you go one car company, they sell only you bushing, or they sell you only bull hose, it is like that. But if they come to RS, they find everything.
Unique selling proposition.
Yes.
A unique selling.
They can find winding, they can find tank production, they can find active parts, all the components for distribution, power transformers, all of them in one source.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And best of luck forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.